Hello folks, do you want to know how to replace iPad broken glass? If you want to know, please keep watching this video and pay attention to what we're going to do next. Hello everybody, this is Juan again. So today we're gonna, as I explained to you guys, we're gonna explain to you guys how to replace iPad broken glass. So this is the iPad Air 2. This is iPad Air 2. And we're gonna replace this broken glass. And what we are gonna need in this whole process. So first thing we're gonna need a machine. So this is the separator, 40 inches. After that we're gonna need a laminator. This laminator is also, this is maximum 11 inches, but this one, iPad Air 2 is only 9.7. So this machine is enough for this iPad Air 2. And we also need the base. We need a base. And we need the mold. And after that we probably need the bubble remover. I'm not sure because normally for flat screens we don't need the bubble remover. But later we're gonna say, but sometimes if you see any bubbles, you don't have to redo it. Just put it into the bubble remover, so you're gonna get rid of all the bubbles. So during the whole process, you're gonna need the machines. Also, you're gonna need liquids. Liquid, you're gonna also need it. And this is the cutting wire, because for iPad you probably need a thicker one. So the one we have, I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. So this is 0.08 millimeter. So this cutting wire is like stronger, like thicker and stronger. And we're gonna need, this is the, we're gonna replace the broken glass, so we're gonna need a new one. We're gonna need a replacement, and this is the Olga for iPad Air 2. We have the touch. This one is with touch. As we can see, this is the glass, and this is the touch. So we're gonna need a touch. We're gonna need an Olga. We're gonna need the liquids, and we're gonna need all the machines for the replacements. And here, this is the. We can also use this one for removing glue as well. I think I have explained to you guys what we're gonna need for this whole replacement. So now my technician Liu is gonna do the demonstration. So here we go. So guys, this is the step one. We're gonna, firstly, the temperature is, we put 90. The temperature is 90. And normally we have the smaller, normally everybody, I think, if you are in this business, you're supposed to have a separator. But normally the people, they have like smaller one. Yes, I explained to you guys, my technician wants to tell you guys this is 0.08. 0.08. But I already explained to you guys the size, the diameter of this wire, cutting wire. But normally you just leave the LCD on this separator for like half a minute. And as I explained to you guys, you need a stronger and a thicker cutting wire for this whole process, for the separation. So this is already been separated, so we can. So make sure it's kind of hot, huh? It's kind of hot. So make sure you separate the touch together. Separate touch together, and this is the LCD. Is that okay? Can we see this clearly? So now the step two, we're gonna go and clean the glue on it. Oka lamination, no bubble at all. It's perfect. No bubble at all, so we don't even need a bubble more. Yeah, go ahead. And this mode is for iPad Air, as we can see here. So this is for iPad 6, this is iPad Air 2, and also iPad Pro 9.7. So if you with this one mode, you can do 2 screens, so you don't have to buy it twice. So the black one is for Oka lamination, for applying Oka. So the red one is for laminating LCD with glass. So this is the same as the iPhone, so it's just bigger. So just the screen's bigger. The process is very similar, almost the same as the iPhone. Just to make sure every side goes inside of the frame, the mold. But don't press it too hard. Just make sure every side goes inside, but don't push it too hard. So before the lamination, the final lamination, it is always good to clean carefully. Make sure there is no dust above the screen. Let's check the setting parameter we made. So he made for temperature 45, pressing time 20, vacuum time 50. So this is the parameter he made for this LCD lamination. Okay, let's go back. And we have different languages. We have 8 different languages. We have Chinese, English, Portuguese, Francés, Español, Thai, Rusty, and Deutsch. We have 8. So different languages. So we're gonna use English as well. So we are the first company in China. Normally in China they only have English and Chinese, and the English translation is always bad. But in this machine we have 8 different languages. So I personally translated the Spanish version, English Spanish version. It seems like no bubble at all. So you don't even need this bubble remover, as we can see there. So check. So make it higher, yeah, higher. Okay, just give it to me. I will show it to our audience. So very beautiful, right? Seems like some little bubbles around very small bubbles. I will show some bubbles. Yeah, there are some bubbles, as we can see. Yeah. That is beautiful. We're gonna put it into the bubble remover. It's over there. We saw some very small bubbles. That's why we need a bubble remover here. And we're gonna wait for. Actually, we always recommend our customers to put into the bubble remover for 10 to 15 minutes. For 8 we recommend for 15 to 20 minutes. But actually if you have less time, you don't have enough time, so you can wait for only 5 to 10 minutes. So it depends on you. But we always recommend you guys to leave it there 15 to 20 minutes, because if you don't have nothing to do, just leave it there and you can do something else. You don't have to wait until the bubble removing process is over. So, but if you are waiting for this bubble remover, you have a lot of job to do. So I recommend you guys probably can only leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. So it will be okay, because it is very normally if you take out from the bubble from the laminator, Q5 laminator, you won't have any bubbles. But probably for iPad, it will have some very small bubbles. You just need a bubble remover. Just leave it there for let's say around 10 minutes. Then we'll come back. So now we're gonna stop the bubble remover, and let's see the result. So can we see this clearly from a different angle? I'm gonna make it a different angle with the lights to make sure you guys see this clearly. Okay guys, this is the whole process about the replacement for this iPad Air 2. So if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and also please remember, don't forget, and remember, click the bell. So that is the notification bell. So as soon as we have new videos, you can receive the notification. And please subscribe it. And if you have any questions, please leave comments below. And thanks for watching this video. See you around. Bye.